Hi, thank you for watching. I'm Mariana Boccia. Today I partnered with DP Flowers, which are the most beautiful providers of dry flowers. They come from Italy, and today we're going to learn how to do yourself an arrangement like this when you receive your product. This is a monochromatic design, maybe for a centerpiece, a hot pink arrangement that I'm going to show you how to create yourself. Hi, you can basically use whatever you had at home. So let's say you receive your product, which is all of this. It's 6 types of flowers. You receive them and it's very easy. It's do-it-yourself arrangement. You can use a bouquet, or you can use a vase. Whatever you had at home, it's fine. This time, just because we were doing other colors, I have this, and maybe it's like a centerpiece of the table. Maybe you have a special dinner, something cute for something maybe for your kids. So this time is going to be the pink, hot pink color that they have, and you just start adding. By the way, we have this dry foam. If you have it, super cool. For this base, you do need something. If you don't have this, maybe you want to use chicken wire, which is also reusable. But let's say you have a base and you don't have foam, you don't have chicken wire, you just start arranging your flowers here. So it doesn't matter. The idea is that you know how easy it is to work with dry flowers, and they last at least 3 years. So I'm going to start here. I like to separate them to see like all that I have available to use. This is a very nice phalaris, orientalis. Well, we are going to give you all the names, but we have a very good mix here, and I'm going to start just adding. By the way, because I'm a florist, I have been working with this like for 6 years now. This is called a pave, like a pavimento, like a pave, and it is starting to be like one. Let's do that. Let's try the original pavement. I just decided that. So the pave will be to use one type of flower for each column. That's the pave style. I know I'm going to have way more product than what this size going to require. So if it's that so, and you want to maybe you do another arrangement with all the rest of the product, of course do that. Also, dry flowers are very common for corsage or even for weddings. We get to see them a lot now. I really love them, especially after I found DP Flowers, because their products are so unique and they come from Italy. So we are working with quality flowers, premium flowers, and that's so important as when you do like your favorite dish. It's the same. It will not taste the same even if the same person do it or cook it, because if you have the best quality products, it makes the whole totally more incredible final design. Remember, you are all designers. You don't need to be an expert to do this. It's very easy to follow, and I found it really, really fun and interactive and therapeutic, and it's I just start thinking only on this. I don't think anything else, which is sometimes so good to find an activity that really takes your mind of that rabbit hole that sometimes we all end up, and we get creative and I really think the best way, the best designs are when we really dare to try, to be confident and try it, and not thinking about the result. When you think where you're creating but thinking about the result or thinking about if someone else will like it or not, oh my God, those designs sometimes take longer, or sometimes they don't have looking as nice, let's say. So take all that out of your moment. Just leave the here and now and connect with your dry flowers or your arrangements, because are a very fun way. And also it's so nice to have a little touch in your decor, and play with them. So as you see, it's starting to look like, okay, this is getting somewhere. So I just covering the front of it and playing around. It takes time, it's normal. Don't rush yourself. Remember, it's a moment to enjoy the working process. So I'm going to keep like covering and adding as I go, but I hope you like the result as much as I'm going to like to see yours. Hopefully I can receive some of your designs, okay? So I keep adding, and it's starting to look like it's getting somewhere. And I really like this pink color. I know many of you like to work with pinks, so this is very nice. Yeah, be patient and enjoy the process. It's getting to look somewhere, okay? As I go, I was thinking maybe to do like something like this. It's getting to look very nice, and just adding more and more to this idea of centerpiece. We keep working on our design, which is very different from the others, and it's a hot pink, very vibrant, bold color. I really like it, and it's like a like a scale. That's what I was trying to do, and I keep adding and adding, because this base is very wide open. So let's keep adding and enjoying the process. But I wanted to show you how it's getting to look so far. Remember, those are just options. You can always mix with other colors, or maybe with fresh flowers or artificial ones. And yeah, this is a really nice vibe that I am trying here. Hope you like it. Okay, I hope you like it. This is how the result of this centerpiece is. Very vibrant. You can go try yourself, and yeah, this is perfect for a birthday maybe, and I find it very creative, and it's very a happy arrangement. I decided to add just a little of crepe paper that I had. You can use ribbon if you like. It's just an idea. It's just to show you that you can really play around. If you have ribbons or other bases, you can always make your own style.